Welcome to AI Tonic. If you're looking to learn and witness the magic of automation with just a few clicks and commands on your system, then you're in the right place. We're here to help every enthusiast stay engaged and up to date with the latest developments in the AI world. At AI Tonic, our mission is clear: to empower you with daily updates on groundbreaking advancements in artificial intelligence and automation tools that can revolutionize your personal and professional life. Here's what you can expect from our channel. Daily updates. We'll keep you informed about the newest AI technologies and automation solutions. From innovative tools that simplify your tasks to advanced algorithms that enhance decision-making, we've got it all covered. In-depth tutorials. Want to harness the power of these tools? Our step-by-step tutorials will guide you through using cutting-edge software designed to boost your productivity. Whether you're automating routine tasks or implementing sophisticated AI solutions in your projects, we'll be with you every step of the way. Expert insights. Stay ahead of the curve with exclusive insights from industry events and conferences. We'll share highlights and key takeaways that will keep you informed about emerging trends and technologies. But that's not all. Here at AI Tonic, we believe in building a community where knowledge is shared and collaboration thrives. Imagine being part of a vibrant network of like-minded individuals who are just as passionate about technology as you are. Together, we can explore new ideas, share experiences, and learn from each other. So, are you ready to embark on this journey with us? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our community of tech enthusiasts. By subscribing, you'll ensure that you never miss an update on the latest innovations in AI and automation. And we want to hear from you. What topics are you most excited about? What tools do you want us to cover? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable as we shape this channel together.